How to create a Facebook quiz. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for qj.app.do. Now tap on Get Started Free. Now select any option and tap on Get Started. Now tap on Next. Now add options and tap on Save. Now tap on Next. Now tap on Share. Now tap on Continue with Facebook. Now tap on Continue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.